Wouldn't it be nice to have a day off? Sunday morning, a little me time. It's so beautiful out there. Really need to put it to use. I got a plan. Oh, that's good. I've been meaning to do a lifestyle photo shoot, and it's one of the hardest things to do, but I want to take advantage of this beautiful fall day. The color on the trees is amazing right now. The sun shining through them. It's gonna make everything sparkle. So yeah, let me gather up some stuff, see what I can come up with. So this little guy, we took photos when it first launched, and they were great. Good product photos. Close-ups, but they didn't really show it being used. And I envisioned a dinner party where this could be the focal point over the table. The table's a little bigger though, so a few of them could work really well together. This could be a little more complicated than I thought. I'm gonna bring in some help. Let me see what SJ's is up to. Hey. Remember this guy?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So, I was thinking we should do a lifestyle photo shoot with it.
Yeah.
Yeah. We keep putting it off. It's beautiful outside. We got that outdoor space. Imagine a patio table with a set of 3 or 5 or 7 of these guys hanging over it. It'd look great.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, everything looks better in odd sets, like 3, 5, or 7. So.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. All right. You're not using this, are you? Okay, thank you.
Something weird is happening.
What are you up to? Don't you remember I was talking to you about the photo shoot? I wanted to do a lifestyle shot outside. Nothing to see here, okay? I'm just working on gathering up stuff.
A lifestyle photo shoot outside. We're talking about the same outdoor space.
You know, the one that, in the cabana. I know it's a mess right now. Believe me, it's gonna be great.
So, the outdoor space that he was talking about?
What do you think?
Yeah. You're gonna have to convince me.
This is perfect. This is everything we need to make a delicious product photo shoot.
Delicious.
Trust me.
Alright. Okay, so here's my concern. What about all like the background here? All the shrubs that have not been taken care of. I see some floaties over there.
Yeah, but see, here's the thing. We're gonna focus on product, which is things up close, and the camera's really good about that. Even in my iPhone, trust me, I'm gonna get some pictures. You won't see the background. The blur is gonna hide it all. It's the secret.
warm up to this.
Yeah, 5 minutes in, it's already looking so much better. I'm gonna start placing some things. So we want the dining room table, patio table. We want an outdoor seating area. And I wanna highlight some of the brick wall. We've got lots of lighting we wanna place. So it's gonna be magical.
All right.
What you doing, SJ?
I'm using this rope to create some sort of support beam. With enough tension, we can hang our lanterns from this.
Okay.
That's the idea.
All right. Coming together. It's like a big mess right now, though.
I've heard people say that everything looks better in like sets of 3 or 5 or 7 odd numbers. What are we doing here?
What we're trying to do is use a collection of these Nest lamps to create a chandelier.
Ooh.
A centerpiece.
Nice. This is looking great. I think I'm starting to pick up what you're doing here. So when he's saying that we're trying to do a lifestyle photo shoot, I think we're trying to make it look like lived in, like people using our products or the way that they would use them at home. It's starting to make sense. Am I getting it right?
I think so. I mean, what we like to create is an experience. And how do you capture an experience? Setting up what might happen in your backyard, I think, is a great way to get the feels.
You're showing customers how to use your product.
Right, because your vision of what you do and how you want the world to use it, you got to get that across. Right?
Showing them exactly how to use your product.
Problem is, it's what takes the most work. So what we like to do is set up a scene where we can use many different angles, many different products, and kind of knock out quite a bit, and for a whole season, basically. So yeah, it's a good idea to use this outdoor time. Looking good, looking good. Oh, really?
What? I'm not selling the lifestyle?
We are not selling the Nabisco lifestyle.
Okay, I think we're ready for the big reveal. Let me hand it off to you, Marcus.
Oh, great. Break time.
That looks pretty good.
Yeah, I think so. Had a long way to go from where we started.
I'm not as skeptical anymore.
Good.
I must admit.
We gathered product that we wanted to shoot. We gathered
Party props.
party props. Yeah. We also created a couple sitting areas. That's also a good backdrop. We wanted to make this scene so that you can move the camera around and get lots of different angles and still feel like you're immersed in this party. We tried to bring the inside out to create this feel.
The only thing we're missing now is the actual dinner. I think frozen pizza on those plates.
Again?
You did a really good job, Marcus. Now let's wait for the sun to go down and see what it looks like. It turned out absolutely stunning. It looks amazing. I'm not gonna lie.
It's magical. I'm impressed. I did not expect it to be this this amazing.
Well, good.
I knew it would be fun and interesting, but I'm ready for dinner. Didn't you cater? Bon
There's the dinner.
appetit.
Yeah.
Crackers,
All right.
pizza.
I think that's a good place to end it. Hopefully, you got something out of this. If you did, please give us a like. Subscribe if you want to see more.
Links in the description down below.
Yeah, for all these items.
Yeah. If you like them,
Check 'em out.
You can build them yourself.
We can send them out to your friends and family directly.
Of course.
We make it easy.
If you use any of these tips, post a comment down below. We want to see what you do.
All right, cheers.
But wait, you got the wine.